Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, we're about to discuss what is the friend limit of Snapchat. We often have a lot of friends and we have a certain limit to which we can send the friend request to. So what if we exceed it? We will discuss everything on this tutorial video. Let's go to Google and search what is the Snapchat friend limit first of all. Google tells us that the friend limit is 6,000 friends at a time. If we scroll down a bit, you can see that we can add around 100 to 130 friends in a day. You could wait a day and start to send friend requests the other day. So, what if you have a lot of friends? You could remove some of the friends which you no longer talk to. Go to Snapchat, go to your chat, scroll down, and remove one of your friends which you no longer talk to. Tap on the person you want to remove, go to Manage Friendship, press on Remove Friend and press on Remove. This way your old friend is removed. Now you can add more friends. Snapchat has a friend limit of 6,000 and you can add 100 to 130 friends in a day. But this way you can delete some friends and add new ones. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that bell button. See you soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.